Hello guys, welcome to Brand Plumbers 254. Today we are about to fix this closcopo toilet. The connector is leaking. So what we have to do is we're gonna dismantle it first. Then I have a new connector, toilet connector. Then also I have this silicone sealant. So I'm gonna first remove the toilet, then we're gonna fix the new connector and apply the silicone so that we can make sure no leakages at all. Let me change the camera so that I can show you. Okay, this is the toilet, and this is the magic connector which is leaking. Let me try and show you where you see it's leaking. So what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna dismantle the toilet and replace the old magic connector and fix this new one.